Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo, me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV. So, say asem we yakasa fa ho fine. Na there is a developing story. Ghana for be prince so atre wo mo agyen. Na ne tentene ne tietie mu ene say Tracy Boache aba bonten aba apologize to Kennedy Japan. Na ebia na obi ente de ekoso ase. Ebia na obi nim de nti Tracy Boache waba bonten aba apologize to Kennedy Japan. Ye be tretre mu ye wi a ye be ko na yakowidi ensem a Ghana funso eka efa sa particular apology we hu. Mesramo infoni na gu ewo screen so no eyentare a ye produce ewo abrochwe very simple so what do channel we na we ni edge channel we so ana wo hwe na sa ade a ye we ni edge ho a mesre ko description box dimu na click eyentare bia yankasa ye produce wa abrochwe ye be shepe abrel with the information no eto ho a uyen so subscribe na click notification bell no so and also na ye share ewo screen so quickly yenko ensem nimu now. Tracy Boache has come out to render an apology to Kennedy Japan after Kennedy Japan went on Asase Radio to confirm say ensamwa wakafa Tracy Boache ho say Tracy Boache papa no Kennedy Mahama atodayama no na Mahama de misika hwe ne nyama nnia no Kennedy Japan eko confirm ye say eya agro na wodi enya ne kre even though embra na Kennedy Japan Woma Ghana 40 asese wo video wo de beba na Tracy Boache anye kuma wo be yese na no Kennedy Japan have finally come out to say eya agro na nsemo a wokan ye no ne krabia enim na enam eno so na Tracy Boache nso e de aba abonten abeka se oh Kennedy Japan and dey say eya agro na wudi pan dia ene me Tracy Boache fa me bone cheme me ye sorry na me nim say eya agro na nka wo ka no na nka waka na mansan ya te se oh ade we ya agro na nka me Tracy Boache me mbakra se me bedi watem ba ende wankasa wa ba bonte se ya agro dia ende me ye sorry se me fa asem ni serious ema enam so ema me di watem ensem a Tracy Boache e ka no. So this is what Tracy Boache wrote on her Facebook page yesterday. Was he joking? Really? Okay, Honorable Kennedy Japan, I beg you not to joke with such issues again, especially during an election period. No politician has bought any house nor cars for me. My man is not a politician. I am also sorry for the harsh and disrespectful words I used for you. You are like a father to me, and I am your daughter. So sorry. And please, such jokes are too expensive. Thank you. It's a someone Tracy Boache can no. I say, oh, Kennedy Japan, agro na wodi. Oh, Miss Rao, agro be say dear. Any kwan say yedi because a election year. Unim say Ghana has say, oh, kasa na obi tepe wafa ne serious. Ebi na wodi ohun ne say agro. Nanso e san say free Kennedy Japan ho nti ya fa ne say asem ne ye serious. Na de eye me de ene say obi a na nkobeka se hane ene ye say but you see Tracy Boache has come out to say oh say ya grown na woody pandia and me very sorry say me yusu sa harsh words me very sorry say me di watem me srewa wo ye me papa me ye wo ba me srew agro bi say die e ya na me mpe. And that is what I liked about the statement at Tracy Boache what they ababa betudwa it was say ya agro pa na Kennedy Japan di pandia wo ye sorry say wo no so wan fa ne say ya agro no di Kennedy Japan watem. So you see all these things are all these things and also mechanical all these things in Crawford assembly ni na asabe akwa tobo mo so ende in Crawford benam so edi omo atem eye wo mo a na wo mo aye omo adwen say wo mo ye Kennedy Japan yodium he I have not said this once, I have not said it twice, I have not said it the third time. I have said it several occasions on this particular channel. Say, one more ye Kennedy Japan yodium no say be better Kennedy Japan wa eyomo. I have said it on this channel. Emma mekan no bi benya asem, but I will say it again. Kennedy Japan ni Tracy Boache asem we bae. Wo bi be so camera see ne so eka say ane ende de Kennedy Japan we kan no say Kennedy Japan na campa dia eye ne kre nkrofo katumu ma Captain Smart and the Captain Smart say nimu gwase ma Captain Smart betina radio so ebe kan say ano no Captain Smart we nya video ni bi ahwe na eye ne kre de Kennedy Japan kan eye ne kre Captain Smart o ebe kan say no radio so and the Kennedy Japan ababo nti say ya agro and the kra say Captain Smart no intro na wuka because Kennedy Japan say they ya agro keke na no ni Tracy Boachi edi asem na nya ne kre na ya agro nti Tracy Boachi ewie ya kra na odi video no to so video na Kennedy Japan go kan say ade ne na ya agro no na obi a wo follow me channel bia wa tie sa West and Kennedy Japan kan na me say me bo West na ndrechi me bo kire mu mamuni amoti ase. So Tracy Boachi has come out to apologize to Kennedy Japan. Say ya agro na wudi a me sorry. Say man fan say ya agro bi wo ho a e very expensive. Me sraw o ya me papa fa me bona cheme. Asem wa Tracy Boachi e kan no. Ghana for baby natural o ma adwen. Na yenko read the comment no. Now, asem wa obi kan wo say, but he needs to render an apology to you, Mahama, Lordina, and every Ghanaian for the lies. He sounded so sure. Then Abi, all you said about Obinim 2 was just a joke. No one must take him serious again. Asema will be kanono. Se Embra Kennedy Japan ka safa Tracy Boachi hono no wo kan wo ne boso se asem ne ye ne kre and there so wababo nti se enye ne kre dia and won pa Mahama chow on pa Mahama yerin so chow because obo Mahama yerin so din but so won pa Mahama yerin so chow na we kra tre se ensem wo be keka fa wo bi nim hu ni na no intro but mama mo ati ase ensem a Kennedy Japan ka fa wo bi nim hu no ebi eye ne kre but dodo na enye ne kre eno mia metena ha say eye analysis trem. In fact there enam so ema wodi kodi obi ni matem sa video na enam so na wodi kodi obi ni matem kra no it wasn't real obi na kwa kate ye ena obebo ye. Meanwhile that wasn't what obi ni meant. Me bebo full audio no etrem wa ha mo obi ate ye mo obi ehun say melodies wa boy jumapa nti obi nim there a lot of people know but as a golden sensem ne nyama ne na eno no uhwe confirmation na eba ye di obi nim court ne nyama na ne na ema na ye ne kre ena bebi a waka se obi nim ne junior pastor yere akwakoda ma ne ye tie phone conversation ne junior pastor ne nso no ne former junior pastor ne ba bontin sema obekan ne de obe confirm say yes the na Kennedy Japan we ka no at least the story was true but the rest of the things ne there na wo ho obi say you see your life Kennedy. No one should take Kennedy Japan serious. He's a liar and has lost his credibility. Thank God Tracy has been vindicated. I like the way you stood up to him. Bring the evidence he claimed. Bring the evidence he claimed he has. Shame on you, Kennedy. Asema will be air canon. Obi will say, this is why I never take anything that Kennedy comes out to say serious. I hope and pray he stop abusing innocent Ghanaians. Asema will be canon. But this is asema Kennedy Japan make dia wonu ni pa no mfa ni serious. Ma me maka me say me personally I really believed in Kennedy Japan until when he started attacking Anas Arimeyawanas because I knew the fact of the matter. Nti ya na me hu say Kennedy Japan yes we attack Anas na me hu say baby aka ni koyi wo chia. E na me be hu say wa chia. So from then assembly as that time na Kennedy Japan be bia personally me sha ase se me ankasa me ye me amedegin na me hu asem ni mu ne kre e ma me hu se nsem bebra wo de be ka to nkrofo so ni na no na dodo na ye politics no wo ka asa nkrofo ni din keke mabo nsem ni bebre so e wo channel way so this is not the time to do that. Obisi so now where are those people who were backing Kennedy Japan and making unnecessary noise? Anyway, I deliberately addressed him as Mr. because I don't see him as an honorable man. Asema will be air canon. Into obi bisa question say, Kennedy Japan beka ansem we fa Tracy Boachi ho enu hunti nkrofo de bonyom enu hunti nkrofo de di Mahama atem nkrofo de di Tracy Boachi atem no obi bisa say nti sa asem we ni na nti ende sa nkrofo no mo we he Kennedy Japan wa ba bonten beka say ya agro na wodi no and you see maka media no, the media in this country right now, they don't help. And there, Obia will follow me on social media, Twitter, the Metros Adeno. The Metro and say, and Black and the Japan Beka say, Tracy Boachi, when they Mahama Shashona, Mahama Toy Diamond, no. A lot of media personalities, media personnel, a lot of media firms, media houses, both on YouTube, social media, they picked up the story and ran the story like some mad thing. Almost ran the story no madly. Now, so when they are Canada, Japan, about say you grow now, you are not seeing that same energy. Now, can you baby? Now, can grofone ni ababa say, hey, can our back and say we are here fast story now? You didn't know one no about say you grow. Could be and can grofone fast story no. That is the same thing Canada Japan did to Anas. Obeku Anas who media firms be brave for some no and run a story no. Like they are supposed to. Now, so when Black and the Japan, what Babon Tebeka say, and Nas Necrano, ye be born a pa, no wada, one in the year, and ye be born a pass, and Saka Nas, Wakwa will show video no number 12 video no, Wakwa will show our Flagstaff house. But now when you show Tre Ghana for it won't make us say, ye, and Nas I show video be to a Kufado, Nebegu a Kufado, by any moise, into Ken, yes, by damage control. Kene Japan akasa nenu asem said the MPP for be catch no e ho na wono social say we attack Anas asem a wono akasa kan no but sa asem a wo be kan na after sa de what be ye Anas no you didn't see people pick up that story the Kene Japan akasa be ka say MPP for na be catch say won ko attack Anas no you didn't see that story from then and I mean say Dabi Ghana media na akasa no ase yesrosi yebeka he and there Canada Japan wakasa say Tracy Boachi de na eya agro no ma wochina won sanso be level allegation en fo obi ho yebe fa asem na fa ne say ye ne kre ma won sanso mra beka so sa asem na me beka fa me nipa kro we hu no eye ntro obi hu say ye mfa asem ne nka but as far as your melodies ye wa hankwan de we have told you we are fair, we don't belong to one side. Ken ye na papa ye ka ye hwe na nye papa nso a ye ka. So now how about those who involved themselves and took it as World Cup? Shame on you. Think well next time. Master, stop saying this nonsense and apologize to the little girl and the former president for defaming their character. The only thing I'm sad about is he will still win as an MP. For me, no need for Tracy to apologize to him, but he should be bold enough as man to apologize to her. As a responsible grown man, don't joke on serious issues. Massa, be very careful. Until no na intro for a trouble Kennedy Japan, actress enye easy. Until no montra mo comment box ni mo medase.